I'm sad, I'm a beg, there's no me.
You know, I think that there is a similarity between our songs, even if mine do have these big kind of arena sounds to them. If you strip them both down, they still can be played at coffee shops.
Yeah.
Compare our songs are easily done once you've had a taste of perfection.
I think that there is an art to being small, and there's definitely an art to being big.
Yep.
I really want to make an acoustic record in the next couple of years and probably jack your style completely.
Call me.
'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you, what you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your
I just think it's cool that your songs, if you stripped everything away, you would have a guitar and a girl, and I really love that element. But I also love, you know, the craziness too. I mean, some of those choruses, like I had texted you and I was like, your range, holy crap.
My songs always reach for the stars, especially the choruses, and sometimes it is not very fun to try and sing.
I don't know how you do that, like night after night.
I just like squeeze my butt in and just
raise
go
the
for
eyebrows.
it. Yeah.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. To